Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a straight red line shape on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option, this menu bar, and this is shape item option. Click on this down arrow and here you will find this line option, and I'll make it a straight. See this, and this color option, this properties option, I'll give in this red color, and thickness I'll decrease this one, and also you can increase decrease this line size, and also you can change this position also. And see this, also you can see this transparency. I'll insert new line here, and you can add this custom color here, move color as defined custom color. Here you can select any other variation of red color, and see this, and in this way you can insert a straight red line on your PDF file, and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.